Are you looking to expand your compressed air station? Are you aware of its potential weak points? Or are you looking to install a new compressed air station which precisely meets your needs? In just a few small steps, with our air demand analysis and the KAESER Energy Saving System, our compressed air experts can provide you with the full picture when it comes to your compressed air station and create the optimum solution for compressed air supply efficiency and dependability. Step 1 is getting to know your needs. Our experts will visit your facility to understand your station. They work closely with you to collect all the necessary information, production parameters, existing components, installation location, and your plans for the future. Step 2 is for us to generate precise consumption profiles of your compressed air station using air demand analysis. This allows us to determine your actual air demand. We then give you a full picture of the measurement period, find potential weak points in your station, and identify energy saving potential. With ADA, we lay the groundwork for an optimum compressed air station. Step 3 is to determine the optimum solution. All gathered data is analysed using the KAESER Energy Saving System. With this advanced software, which was developed by KAESER, we are able to design a bespoke solution that is both efficient and economical. Following installation, you're ready for station optimization. Our compressed air experts can accompany you from the planning phase right through to the implementation of your compressed air station. When you choose to optimize your compressed air station with KAESER, you will benefit from a tailored concept, reliable compressed air availability, reduced running costs, constantly high compressed air quality, and a reliable partner. Get started today. Just phone 0800 447 820 or email us at info.newzealand@kaeser.com.